Hi everyone, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what is an algorithm. What is an algorithm and how to write an algorithm with some examples I'm going to explain in this session. So algorithm is basically a step-by-step procedure which defines a set of instructions to be executed in a certain order to get the desired output. That means if you have any task or any problem, you need to solve that problem in the step-by-step manner, the step-by-step procedure. So exactly the definition is, it is a step-by-step procedure, step-by-step procedure which solves the which solves the problem, which solves the problems. Okay, so algorithms are generally created independent of underlying language. That means an algorithm can be implemented in more than one programming language. So you may write for C or C++ programming language or any programming language we can use for algorithm. Okay, so then what are the characteristics of the algorithm? So there are different types of characteristics of an algorithm. Okay, first one is input and output and finiteness and feasibility. Next, effectiveness. So these are the main characteristics of an algorithm. Okay, first one, input. An algorithm should have zero or more well-defined inputs. That means we need to provide the input to solve the specific problems, and then we will get the desired result according to our requirement. So the input should have zero or more well-defined inputs. Okay, so algorithm should have zero or more well-defined input. Okay, next, output. An algorithm should have one or more well-defined outputs. That means whatever you are giving input, according to the input we will receive the, after processing, the processed result will be displayed as output. So the output should have one or more well defined outputs. Okay, and should match the desired output. Okay, next, finiteness. What is the meaning of finiteness? Finiteness means it is opposite to in infinite. Infinite means it's unlimited. There is no countless. But finiteness means it should be stopped somewhere. The algorithm must terminate after a finite number of steps. A algorithm must terminate after a number of finite number of steps. Okay. Next, what is feasibility? Feasibility means it should be feasible with the available resources. So whatever the resources available, we should be work on that available resources. Okay, it should be feasible. with the available resources. Okay. Next, finally, effectiveness. Effectiveness means whatever you are writing an algorithm, it should be it should be able to translate into programming language. It's a specific programming language. Okay. So that means whatever writing any algorithm, it should be in a position you need to convert that algorithm into any programming language. So these are all the characteristics of the algorithm. What are those? Input, output, finiteness, feasibility, and effectiveness. Let us see one example for algorithm. How to write an algorithm. So I'm going to writing an algorithm to find average of average of three numbers. Okay. So then how to write for this one? You need to write for any algorithm. You need to write a step-by-step problem. This is my task to find average of three numbers. We need to solve this problem by using an algorithm. So algorithm definition you know very well. Any problem we need to solve in step-by-step manner. So first step one, start, and step two, so read values a comma b and c. Okay. Next step three, we need to computing some value a plus b plus c, and then step 4 into computing average sum by 3, and then step 5 print average, and then finally step 6 the stop button. So this is the way to write an algorithm. So in the step-by-step process, we are solving our problem in very easy way. So after this one, after writing an algorithm, so the developer can easily write the code by using this algorithm. Can easily implement this algorithm by using any programming language. Okay. So this is the step-by-step process to find the average of three numbers, write another algorithm. So thank you for watching.